Experiencing dropped calls on T-Mobile? It's often due to how your phone connects to the network. T-Mobile uses VoLTE, voice over LTE, and VoNR, voice over new radio or 5G voice, for calls, which rely on data. If the signal switches rapidly between LTE and 5G, calls can drop. Wi-Fi calling issues can also cause drops. SIM card problems, physical damage, incorrect insertion, or eSIM activation failures also cause disruptions. Network congestion, especially during peak hours, 4 to 9 p.m. in cities, can further contribute. Ensure VoLTE VoNR is enabled in your phone's settings under Network and Internet, and that Wi-Fi calling is turned on and preferred if you have a strong Wi-Fi signal. Keeping your phone's OS and carrier settings updated via the T-Mobile app is crucial. To fix dropped calls, start with quick resets. Toggle airplane mode for 30 seconds. Next, update your phone's OS and carrier settings using the T-Mobile app, as software bugs often cause call issues. Check your SIM card, remove and reinsert it, or erase and reprovision your eSIM via T-Mobile's digital setup. For Wi-Fi calling problems in crowded areas, consider a mesh router. In settings, make sure VoLTE VoNR is enabled and preferred. If problems persist, use T-Mobile's Network Checker app to monitor signal strength. As a last resort, reset your network settings to fix APN mismatches. If you suspect SIM swap fraud, contact T-Mobile immediately and enable two-factor authentication on your account.